let's learn how you can change your phone number on your Facebook account. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want. I will show you also how you can add or remove your phone number. So without any delay, let us start by opening Facebook application. Now you'll have to go to 3 horizontal lines in bottom right corner and go to Accounts Meta Center. Now it will appear here Account Settings. Click on Personal Details. Now you will have to click on Contact Info. I might have to blur all of this, but you'll get it. Don't worry. Now you will have to click on this blue Add New Contact. Which would you like to add? Press on Add Mobile Number. Now here will appear new tab, Add Mobile Number. Here you will have to change your country numbers, first 3, and then enter your mobile number. After you finished, click on Next. You will get a verification code for Facebook. Copy and paste verification code and your new number will be added. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.